because this thing been sitting, literally sitting, waiting on me to go in and make it happen. Now we bringing it to the new house. I appreciate y'all so much, man, for real.
Man, no problem, take care.
And they came through, gave me a super cool bike. It look amazing. They had the red bike with the red car collection. Man, we done finally got this joint in the backyard, y'all. We done finally made it back, y'all. We got the trailer on the back of the truck, man. Juiced up, looking good. Got the toys out, man. We got my man's Ace Polaris out here, super dirty. Mind you, they lost the key the last time we went out, so we cannot start it up or go for a ride at all. What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We are in the office right now. It's Black Friday, man. I hope y'all got y'all tickets in for the Silver Bullet giveaway, because I'm telling y'all, it's going fast. And I want everybody to get a chance to get in to win it, because I know we all be having life situations going on. Everybody be having their own life problems. So we got at a real affordable price for everybody to get in to win it, man. So I'm telling you, if you haven't yet, please get in to win it and grab you a $25 Kicks by Dre cap. No, the caps are sold out. We only got the sliding keychains and the sliding not hiding keychains right now at $25 entry. After today, it's back to $100. So get in to win it while the Black Friday sale is still going, because I'm telling y'all, it's going to go fast, and I want everybody to get in to win it while you can, man. So get in for that joint. You already know we got the 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado paired together with a 2019 ROADGLIDE M8 114 built by Dre. Getting framed off, powder coated, everything. At first, I wasn't gonna do the frame off. I was just gonna say whatever and just do everything else, but I gotta do what I gotta do, man. There's nothing like it, man. So we gotta go top to bottom, knock it out, get it done, have it wet, powder coated up, ready to go, and deliver it to one of y'all, man. One of y'all lucky people who trusted your boy Dre, supported your boy Dre, entered to win, and to my giveaway is gonna get blessed with that truck and that bike, man. So I'm telling y'all, get in to win it, make it count today. You are literally one step away from greatness, man. All you gotta do is support your boy and bless yourself, man. I'm telling you, we sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. So today, we about to literally get in the backyard. It's hella crazy out here. It's leaves everywhere, I'm not gonna lie, and it's really kind of throwing me off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to clean up as much as I could now and bag it up, but I really need to go Home Depot and buy me a rake. I don't got all my tools, and I ain't at my dad's in them still, or I could just go steal all his stuff. So I gotta go get me a rake and get all this stuff cleaned up, so that way everything will be easier, because it's leaves literally everywhere. And I don't know how people deal with it, but I know one thing for sure. We got to keep our property nice and clean, ready to go, man. We can't be out here dirty like that. So that's what we got going on. But in the meantime, between time, I'm trying to really wait until this weekend so I can really get everything going the way I needed to, because we had so many orders. I was like hella backed up. So I got everything back on track. I got all that stuff knocked out on the way. If you haven't got your package or your product in the mail, it's on the way. Don't trip. I'm telling y'all, it's all on the way. Everything is coming together. I just had everything all over the place for a minute, but we're back on track, on our A game, trying to get everything top to bottom. I'm telling y'all, moving into this house was a hell of a process, but it's all good. We got it worked out, everything going now. We even got the office decked out, but it's good though, man. We got to stay on track and get it going. So today we're gonna try to get the bikes on the road, try to get some stuff done. It's only so much I can really do until I get these parts from Harley, but the thing about being in that garage now, I got to get everything more and more organized. So all them parts I got on the side of my house right now, I'm about to clean that up and get that stuff put up, because it looked like it was some rain coming in and whatnot. So I'm trying to prepare for the worst, y'all. I don't want none of my stuff going bad outside. So we're about to get everything nice and cleaned up. After all that work in the last 2 hours, y'all, we done finally got it cleaned up. Those parts is going in the back with the bike. This is all going in the trash, getting dumped out. We just bagged all these bags of leaves up, y'all. Literally was everywhere. And the crazy part about it is I did this with a broom and a broken dustpan. You hear me? A broken dustpan. I did all that with that. I could look like a joke and a straight laugh about doing what I did, but I'm gonna tell y'all, everybody can't do what I just did. A lot of grown men will put it down quick and fast in a hurry, but me, I gotta do what I gotta do, because if I don't do it, who will? But we got the space for the boat. I'm about to grab that joint tonight, y'all. We're gonna grab the boat, park it up. Hopefully Monday we go get the RV, and that's going too. So stay tuned, y'all. Y'all see it, man. Today is about to be a real different day, y'all. Got my man's Ace, and we got Major. We got my man's Ace brother. Got their mom in the store right now. I'm grabbing some stuff, but it's about to be lit, man. They just don't know it yet. Yes, sir. We done finally made it and got the bike, man. Shout out to these lovely people for blessing me, allowing me to get the bike so that way we can get some good memories with the kid, man. We done came out here. I appreciate y'all so much, man, for real.
Man, no problem. Take care.
And they came through, gave me a super cool bike. It look amazing. They had the red bike with the red car collection. That's super dope, man. But it's amazing, man. We finally got it after all the searching and looking for hours all day, man. We finally got a good 50. So now we're gonna have another one to the collection. We gotta go find one more for Ace and we're gonna be good to go. But we slide it, man. I'm about to go ahead and get my man's Ace. Up next, y'all. Ace still woke. She's asleep. She not. About to get this bike though, y'all. Slide it. Go home first. Yes, sir, man. We finally got both of the bikes. We went and got Ace a 50 quad. We was moving so fast, I couldn't really record how I wanted to, but shout out to the guy, man. He came through and blessed us. We got a nice, good, clean 50 quad right here. I'm not worried about the plastics and the seats. I'm gonna do it like I did this last bike. We're gonna put the brand new seat freshly wrapped on both of their bikes. I'm gonna try to get their name on them. And then the main thing I love about these bikes, he got the stickers for both of them. I got one inside and one on there. But it's ready to go, man. We got this thing with the new light in the front. Fire right up. I'm telling y'all, it's lit. The kids is about to be sliding, man. We going up, man. I'm telling y'all, it's lit. Man, I know I've been all over the place with this video, but I've been having so much going on. We finally got the boat, y'all. We done made it all the way out here to pick up the boat. Lord knows we had a long drive for some hours. But you already know, man, we got the Silver Bullet equipped and dipped, ready to slide at all times. Ooh wee! Yes, sir, it's game time. I am amped the hell up. My boat been gone for the longest. Lord knows how long Dre been wanting to get on this thing, man. But it's good, though. That's why we work and do what we got to do. Because this thing been sitting, literally sitting, waiting on me to go in and make it happen. Now we bringing it to the new house, the new headquarters. Yes, sir, because we could do that, and it's about to fit. On the back of this joint, y'all see it. We on them things, man. Man, we done finally got this joint in the backyard, y'all. Oh, I am excited. That's crazy. With the marrow still in the back. Yes, sir, man. This was going down. Fuck these leaves, though. I'm about to cover baby up right now, because they ain't getting on me. But y'all see what it is, man. We got it going at the house. Yes, sir. That's what we work for. Man, I am so happy. Y'all just really don't know. I'm telling y'all, this is what the fuck I worked for, man. Is to be able to put my boat in my RV at my own house, wherever I'm at, y'all. I can't tell y'all how many storages I done been to within the past few months. All the money I done spent, all that, man. This is what we work for, though. Real shit, I promise y'all. I'm super excited, man. This is exactly all I ever wanted, to be able to have a boat with everything else at the house for me to touch it, do whatever. But it's good, though, man. I'm telling y'all, we put that work in, so now we get to have these benefits, y'all. We got to get this trash out the way, ready for the trash day, man. Got the toys in that joint. I'm telling y'all, we working, man. We definitely getting it in. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it today, y'all. We about to have a good Monday, man. Get to it and making it happen. We had a crazy weekend. We had a good Thanksgiving. I hope y'all did the same. Yesterday, we went and picked up the boat, man. You already know my boat been going for me for like the past month and a half. I've been sick to my stomach, but look what we got, y'all. Yes, sir, that joint is parked right outside my window now, man. Yes, sir, it's lit, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the boat in the yard, man. I'm loving it. And we still got some space, y'all. Look at this, man. I thought I was gonna have a boat back here and can't even maneuver. We still got some walking space. Look at this, man. We got it strapped down, looking good. And we got the marrow still in the back in the cut. I'm telling y'all, it's lit. It's lit, man. It's crazy, dude. I really love this boat, y'all. I spent so much money on this boat and worked so damn hard for it. This is one thing I will always love. That's why we gotta take care of it. My top ripped, I don't know how this was perfect, but y'all see what it is now, man. You gotta make the best of it and improvise. But I'm telling y'all, man, we all got our own different goals we set in life and aim for. And this was one of mine, just be able to have my boat at my house where I can be 24/7 and don't gotta worry about my stuff coming up missing behind the gate with crazy stuff going on out here. So it's lit, man. That's the whole thing we working for, y'all. We got the bikes in here, Mr. Dino, Mr. Frame Doctor, Mr. Bay Area. We got the kids out here going crazy. I don't know if y'all tuned into my live. For Christmas, I think I'm gonna give back one of these 50 dirt bikes to one of the kids. If you ever enter to win anything on my website, support it with a like, comment, or subscribe to the channel. Anything of that sort will get you in to win it with the cost of nothing. So stay tuned for that, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, we about to bring it to y'all for the kids, with the kids, going up every day like y'all be seeing my man's Ace, man. So that's what it's about, y'all. Ace, we going up, y'all. Yeah, nah. You good. Yep. Nah, that's for sure, man. But I'm telling you, we coming with it, man. We're going for what we want. Ooh. Nah, yes, sir. Nah, you good. We done finally made it back, y'all. We got the trailer on the back of the truck, man. Juiced up, looking good. Let me show y'all, after the hours of driving we just went through, we finally got this thing looking good. I gotta re-glue that so I can get that strap off of there. But we got it going, man. I was honestly trying to sell this thing just so I can upgrade. I'm not gonna lie, I wanna get something a little bit bigger. I wanna be able to have a Polaris with some toys in here. So I don't mind keeping it, but like I said, I'm just trying to get to the next level, y'all. So I may get rid of it, but I will not be getting rid of it till I get something new. I'm not going without a trailer, that's for sure. But we got the toys out, man. We got my man's Ace Polaris out here, super dirty. Mind you, they lost the key the last time we went out, so we cannot start it up or go for a ride at all. Then we got my quad I need to fix and get my starter going. We got the little toys I bought him, we've been looking for. Then we got his original 50 dirt bike with his brother 50 dirt bike and his new 50 quad. So we're gonna redo this one, and I'm gonna get him some new plastics too, so we could just put his name and make it the way he wanted. I wanna get their names on the seats, like right here, like Ace and Major, So that way the bike can just look that much better with the little detail and whatnot, because I'm telling y'all, it'd be that much better just to do your little touch and then make it do what it do. But we out here going up, man. We got the RV finally clean, huh, Ace? Yes. It's my dog. Yes, sir, man. We got it going, y'all. We gotta just clean it up, get it nice and tight, ready to slide. Oh, can't wait, huh, Ace? We finally got our helmets, man. Been helmetless trying to go ride with these kids, dude. Look, it's good though. We about to get to it. I got my TVs, baby. I'm telling y'all, man. Stuff like this is like a goal I've been dreaming of for the past year and months. Y'all don't even know. Literally, like, that's what some people don't understand. We all got our own set of goals in life. And this simple ass situation like this is something I've been dying for. I was living all the way over here. My boat was over here. The RV was over there. My shop was over here. Now everything is finally in one spot. It do not get no better than what it is right now. This is why I'm so amped up. This is why I'm telling y'all, I'm super excited, amped up. I cannot wait to see how it's gonna grow and go from here on out. That's the whole thing about it, man. We done liquidated all them extra bills, got everything in one place. Now it's game time. It's time to go up, and we about to make a movie. Huh, Ace? You ain't ready? Yeah, he ain't ready, man. He ain't ready. You ain't ready, Ace. It's good. It's all right. Yes, sir, man. Work hard. Go for what you want, man. Spend that money. You gonna get it back, y'all. This is like 2 years old money. We still making memories, huh, Ace? Yeah. We still going up. off old money, man. That's why we gotta pay for these type of things. So we own it. All we doing is spending gas and time, and we're going up, making it happen just like that, y'all. I'm telling y'all. But we about to finish cleaning up, getting this thing hot and ready, waiting on his mama to pull back up so we can go hit some of these stores and get some stuff done. So stay tuned, man. We've been driving for hours, getting everything on the road, making it happen just like that. I'm gonna get y'all on a time lapse when I clean the inside, but for now, we are sliding, not hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working. Y'all see what it is, man. Yes, sir, man. We finally got it going. Y'all know it's dark, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got done. We done finally got the trailer back here. Only problem we had was this little satellite that we don't even use. That's about to get taken down ASAP. We finally got the RV in the boat. It's unbelievable, but it's possible when you put in that work and go for what you want, man. It's unbelievable. This shit is crazy. No more storages, no more rushing to get it before they close. It's crazy, man. We done finally made it to the destination, y'all. It's amazing the things you can accomplish and do when you got faith and believe in yourself. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you, anything is possible. We gotta just go for what we want, man. We that far away. We about to clean up though, get this trash ready, man. We slide though.